Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today, split album entsha ye-King, ye-legend yase-Limpopo bambiza u-King Monada. So ukhipha album ngomhla ka-14 laphana. I-album ibizwa ngokuthi I Can't Do It Anymore. Indlela ebhalwe ngayo it is a story for another day, but yona title yakhona-ke so ayinazo ingoma eningi, inengoma nje eziwu-10 and I think kwenze ngamabombi because ngeke ngaba ne-album ka-King Monada before, akajwayelanga ngikhiphe i-album enengoma eningi, so ukhiphe nje ingoma eziwu-10 and I think zonke zama-hits. So ufeaturisha abantu abambalwa laphana, ngibona igama le-VK, khona nomunye usisi wase-Limpopo ushisa ngempela kulonyaka bambiza ngoShandesh nawo ufeaturishe kwenye ingoma, but there's a new artist engakaze ngizwe ngaye engimbone khona Mickey Babe or something like igama lakhe nje lelo, uyi-female vocalist ufeaturishe ngoma eziwu-2 laphana. I think omunye umuntu ospecial abantu lebemnize attention laphana. Khona enye ingoma bayenzile laphana beno Monada ekuyona a favorite yami because ingoma zimbalo laphana, so there's ingoma ebizwa ngepopa laphana. Ngithe mangilalela ngisho okay, I think this one in a long run izovathena le ngoma eyiyona hit because le ekuyona ethi I deserve yasho kakhulu nayo i-depression isiphumile ne-music video nayo ikhona kulezi ngoma eziwu-10, but I deserve iyo le noShandesh I think nayo izoba big because already uShandesh na ibrand yakhe si big ngaleyo ndlela, but I'm happy ukuthi ngibone uMonada sakwazi ukuthi ekhiphe music appealing after isikhathi eside ekhona egaming because abantu bazokhumbula thina especially after KZN noma outside of iLimpopo saqala ukumazi ngale ngoma yakhe le uMoreki. So after wekhiphe wona then waphindwa wabuya ngale ngoma yakhe yasusa umsindo kakhulu ngo-2018 ibizwa ngayini Malado something, but leyo ngoma yaqala lento esizibona enzeka manje le yama challenge because leyo ngoma ingoma ine challenge. Mina ekhumbuleni wami that was the first song ngayibona eMzansi ine challenge ke, so leyo ngoma yaMonada yenza kakhulu even ku national radio station lapha nokhosini yayikhona ku top 3 song of the year. So but angibe ngifuna nje ukukhuluma nge-album, I think ihlangene. Ngeke ngabona ama comment ku Twitter abanye bathi no album iwork, abanye bathi trash stuff, especially for ama fans kaMonada lawa ase-Limpopo. Ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe bona ba used to in, but mina ngizwe i-album ibalansile and I think as uSpeaker Nawe mina ngayinikeza u8 out of 10, and the reason ngayinikeza u10 is because inengoma eziwu10 like olele album ngithanda ukuthi mhlawumbe ingoma noma at least noma zibo 16 or something, but kuMonada uvela wasike ingoma eziwu10, but I think zonke zama hits, zonke zimnandi. Ayikho ingoma laphana mhlawumbe ifake just ukuthi ifile i-album. I feel ngathi ingoma zonke zimnandi naku-production isekhona leyo production enalama element alo Monada lo mdala lesasimthanda even le album yakho kuyona yaduma kakhulu yani Moreki. There's ingoma laphana ebizwa Mapule, enye nayo ingoma inaleya sound kaMonada leyakudala, so na ngiyithande kakhulu. So mina nje i-album ngi-enjoyile and ngithe mathi ngiyabheka laphana ama-credits umusic wakhe ngathi ukhiphe under record label yakhe udistributor uSony. So abantu bazokhumbula before uMonada bade sebeze ne-open mic and I think uyena umuntu wavulela iminyaka kubantu abaningi abafana nabo Makhatsi nabo Master KG because open mic kahle kahle akuyona i-record label South Africa, maybe ibe big le South Africa but i-founder yakhona umuntu wase-America. So I think the time beyenza lento abemzansi babona mhlambe i-talent engathi likhona laphana, babona opportunity eLimpopo basticka khona. So I think abantu abaningi wabavulela indlela, nami umbono wami ngoSpeaker Nawe lo. So yeah, so but i-album iphume under i-record label yakhe and then for distributor uSony ke. So I'm happy about lokho ukuthi wawazi uphuma kule deal eyayibed yena then wazenzela into yakhe manje usewasebenzisana nabantu ngama-terms akhe. So I'm happy ngaleyo ndlela because uMonada umuntu engimhlonipha kakhulu and I think one of the few artists ase-Limpopo akwazi ukuba ne-appeal strong outside of Limpopo because uMonada even ungabuza umuntu ohambele KZN uhamba kuphi bayamazi because umusic wakhe uyawazi upreach out kwezinye indawo. Nane-music video ngibonile ama-numbers awo even though ingakabi retire but iyaperforma. So nje ya Monada I know sikuzwile. Speaker Nawe sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, naku-Facebook ethi Speaker Nawe. Away we out.